Saving with Shay. I'm here from my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. If you're new here, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the Pow Pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So Josiah is doing so much better. When he playing his game, y'all know he's definitely feeling better. So thank you to those of you who sent your well wishes and your prayers for the little one. And so as far as today for Ibotta, I need 15 offers for $5. Y'all, the deals ain't dealing. So I don't even know if I'm gonna do any Ibotta today, to be honest. I do have some field agents. I wanted to try the online jobs, and so I will be trying that out today. We had some more Flavor Wiki surveys. We have a lot. Like there's a lot. Like I had to finish up Oatmeal. Their site was down for like 3 or 4 hours the other day. So we have Oatmeal, we have chips, we have soda, we have the Rice Krispies. There's a whole lot going on with Flavor Wiki right now. And so I'm just trying to get them all done as soon as I can. They don't normally process during the weekend, so like I probably won't do the rest of mine until, let's say, Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon or so. And so it's been so busy with Flavor Wiki, y'all. It's not even funny. But I'm grateful. I'm so grateful because Ibotta's been so slow. And again, it's always good when you have a lot of other apps to kind of help, you know, pick up the slack and make things, you know, doable, right? And so with that being said, we're going to head to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do, okay? Hit the like button. Help support your girl. And keep on watching. All right, y'all. So this first deal, I'm not really sure if I'm going to do this deal. I probably will, though. I know I don't have freezer space, so I'm going to have to get rid of it really, really, really quick. Anyway, it's on the Reese's ice cream. They are priced at $4.67 for this. I'm going to go ahead and grab 5 of them. That total is going to come to $23.35. I'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta. There's also 3 different offers on Fast Reward. I want to say spend 12, get back 3, buy 1, get back 2, and buy 1, get back 1. So you get back a total of $18. It'll make all 5 only 35 cents. So I'm finishing up my Oatmeal surveys. The other day, Flavor Wiki was down. They was down for like maybe 3 or 4 hours. And I was right in the midst of doing my survey. So I had oatmeal, bowls of oatmeal everywhere. Let me just say that. So I took a bunch of pictures and I called it a night. And then when I got up around midnight or so, it was back up. And so I did the Bob's Red Meal. They're priced at $6.58. I had 2 offers for the old fashioned. And I had 1 offer for the quick cooking one. Getting back $13 on Flavor Wiki makes each one a $6.42 moneymaker. Grab the Quaker oats as well, and I had 2 offers for that. And so I paid $4.57. Getting back $11 on Flavor Wiki makes each one a $6.43 moneymaker. Now I also grabbed the Kroger ones as well, and for that I had 2 of each one. There was 1 for the 1-minute one and 1 for the old-fashioned one. They're priced at $4.49. And for that, I got back $9 on Flavor Wiki for each one. So it made each one of those a $4.51 moneymaker. All right, next up is the Quaker. I went ahead and grabbed this deal. I actually got this deal at Target. If you can't find the Lambert brand, I got that one at Sprouts. So you also might find that one at Whole Foods as well. And so I grabbed this one, the lightly salted one, for $3.59. Getting back 7 on Flavor Wiki made that a $3.36 moneymaker. I also grabbed the Quaker Rice Crisps, the cheddar flavor at Target as well. There it was priced at $3.99. Getting back 8 on Flavor Wiki made that a $4.02 moneymaker. Got some new offers on Flavor Wiki for chips. I got Pringles, and I did notice with the chip surveys there is no size requirement for it. So I suppose you could get the little mini cans if you wanted to, I suppose. And so for this, I have 3 different ones. I have one for the salt and vinegar at $2, getting back 4 makes a $2 moneymaker. I have one for the cheddar cheese as well, making that a $2 moneymaker. And then I have one for this one here, the cheddar sour cream for $2, making that one also a $2 moneymaker. I have one on the Lay's cheddar and sour cream. This one, it doesn't have a size requirement either. So I suppose if you could find the 50-cent bag, that would work if they carry it in this flavor. But anyway, so we're gonna grab one at $2.50, getting back $4.50, making this a $2 moneymaker. Really quick, I was checking to see if they actually had the Lay's in a smaller bag. They don't have that flavor, but they do have the cheddar flavor. These are $1.48. So if you want to grab this one, you could. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the larger can for what, 52 cents more. And so, all right, y'all. Okay, so this next deal is on the Colgate Optic White. Now, I tried doing an online offer for field agent because I've never done one, and I kind of want to get in the hang of doing different type of jobs on there. Now, the online one specifically has to be ordered online. When you claim it and it's approved, you get 50 cents. Now, when you claim it, you do have to place your order through a link that's provided within that offer. When it's approved, you'll get a second part because there's 2 parts to it. First part is ordering the item. Second part is once you get it, you do a review of it. Once the first part is approved, you'll get the second part. You claim that one. I think that one you have 6 hours to do. And so I grabbed this. It was easy because it was Walmart rewards available for it as well. So I paid $9.86. I got back the 50 cents initially for a field agent. And then once I did it, after tax, it was $10.83. So I got back the $10.83 on field agent plus $1 plus the initial 50 cents. I hope that made sense. So I paid $10.83 and I got back $12.33. I also got back $6 for Walmart rewards as well. So it made that a $7.50 money. I hope y'all followed along with that. I feel like it was a whole entire mouthful, but it ended up making it a $7.50 moneymaker. Now I did another one for Target, and it was for the Colgate it was Colgate Total Deep Clean. This one right here. So I did this one for Target. I did do curbside as well. For that one, I paid $6.38 after tax. Now with field agent, you do get the tax back when you purchase it on a receipt by itself. So I paid $6.38. I got the initial 50 cents when I placed my order. And then once it was approved, I got back the extra $1. So I got back $7.88. So it makes it a $1.50 moneymaker. So when you're doing the online items, they're $1.50 that they're paying you for doing it. I assume because it's shipped to your house that's why it's a little less than in store. In store, you usually get $3. And so, yeah. All right. So this is another field agent job that I did. I'm telling you, oh, this is the one I got right here. Only thing is I got the one that's it's like a mint color. But yeah, this is the exact one I got. And I like it because it's super big. How big it is. Super big. Yeah. But anyway, so this is the one that I got. So this was another field agent job. I ordered this online. And it was $10.74. Now I did grab this and another item on field agent, and since it was both items on the same receipt, I didn't get the tax back. So I only claimed the price of the item, which was $10.74.
And then I got back a total of $1.50 from field agent. So I did get back a total of $12.24. So it made a $1.50 moneymaker, which I thought was a great deal because this is something that we really needed anyways. And it's super big and it came fast. That I got that the same day. It came the same day. And so, all right, this is the last thing. I got the Visco brand earbuds. And look, I can never have too many pairs of earbuds. I carry two in my gym bag at all times. And so I was excited to do this deal. It's on the Visco brand earbuds. They're priced at $24.99. I don't even see them in store. I did order them online. Ordered it with the laundry basket. Notice with field agents, so far with this online thing, it's better to try to lump as much as you can together. And so with me getting the earbuds and the laundry basket together, my total was over 35, so I had free shipping. I haven't gotten the earbuds yet. Again, they don't carry that brand here. It's the Visco brand. They're priced at $24.99. And for that, you're getting paid $1.50 plus reimbursement from field agent, making it $1.50 money maker. All right, y'all. So here is our complete haul for today. This worked out so good. This is mostly food, which is so freaking awesome. I think my sales tax for this was like $5.50, and that was literally just for the earbuds, the CRV for all the soda, and our laundry basket, which I absolutely love this basket, and it's freaking huge. I love this. That came the same day. The earbuds ain't supposed to be here till like the 5th of January, which is Joseph's birthday. My birthday is on the 2nd of January, so we're both Capricorns, 3 days apart. I can't believe I'm about to be 49, y'all. I'm about to be 49. That is so freaking crazy to me. I'm like, where? Where? But, God is good. And your girl is aging gracefully. Thank God, right? But listen, this worked out really good. I didn't mention, okay, so the kitten reveal, that was a field agent job. A ton of those popped up yesterday. I was trying to click them so fast, but I think I got like 3 of them. 2 of them were a little further than I wanted to go, so I canceled those and just did this one since it was the Petco that was really close to me, less than like a mile. And so I grabbed that. It was 13 and change after tax. Got that back through field agent plus $2. So it was a $2 moneymaker for that. And like I said, I've been just grabbing cat food here and there for my sister because she has 2 cats now. The soda, that is a Flavor Wiki deal. I posted on my community tab yesterday. Whenever we get new offers for Flavor Wiki, I'm trying to post it on my community tab for you guys so you guys can go and check it. But I did do the soda deal at Vons, which is a Safeway affiliate. I needed the Dr. Pepper, the Pepsi Zero, the Coke, and then the Coke Zero. I grabbed the an extra Pepsi Zero because I only drink zeros. If I'm gonna drink soda, it's gonna be 0 sugar. I know, debate with me if you want to, but if I'm gonna drink it, it's gonna be 0 calories. And so what was great about it is that I did find $2 peelies. Now they did expire last month, but the cashier was super awesome and she pushed them through for me. So our sale at Bonds is buy 2 get 3 free. So I had her scan the Pepsis first, since that's what the coupon was for. And then we scanned the other products so that the coupons will come off of the Pepsis. And so that's, well, she put it through, so I guess it wouldn't have really mattered anyways. And so paid $19.98 and then getting back $34 from Flavor Wiki, which is, it makes it like almost a $15 moneymaker, which is awesome. Now I know you can do the deal at Walmart. They have $1. I think Walmart and Target might have $1 Ibotta offer, but it's a limit of 1. It's just, to me, it's a much better deal for me to do it at Vons. Now on Joseph's account, he only has 3 sodas and a Propel. I know Vons has the Propel this week for $179, but they were out of stock when I was there yesterday. So I'll probably grab some for his account maybe tomorrow, and I'll probably just go back to Vons, to be honest, because at least, I mean, I'm getting 5 of them, you know, versus going to Walmart. I think Walmart, they were about $8 a piece. So I'd have paid $8, $16, $24 for 3 anyways. Getting back $1 on Ibotta wouldn't have been worth it to me. I might as well just go to Vons and get 5, right? And so that's what we did there. I did the same deal that you guys saw in my last video with the day of mac and cheese. That's at Sprouts. $3, get back 3 through Social Nature, $1 on Fetch, makes $1 moneymaker. The all-in bar, I have a referral link. 2 of you guys used it, so I got that for free, plus $1.50 on Social Nature. And then the Cali water, $1.50, get back $1.50 on Social Nature. That receipt is still processing. I'll let you guys know if it glitches again for me like it did on my account. My account, it gave me back $6 instead of $1.50. So we'll see what happens with that. Other than that, I think that's basically it, you guys. So everything you see here, which was $182.45. We had $4 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $178.45. Our sales tax for this was only $5.49, and that was only for the laundry basket with the earbuds and the CRV for the soda. All right, walking away with $162 from Flavor Wiki, $113.20 from Field Agent. And I actually have to go do a job right now. It's a walkthrough for $14 at Target, y'all. Target is literally like maybe 6 or 7 minutes up the road. So that's going to be some easy money. So yeah, $113.20 from Field Agent. Fetch Reward was $19. Walmart Reward, $6. Social Nature, $6. Ibotta's $5. And last but not least, Aisle is $1.50. Getting back a total of $312.70 makes everything that you see here, right here, free plus $134.25, you guys. I can't thank freaking Flavor Wiki enough, Field Agent enough for coming through. They making your girl feel like she's a little millionaire in her little PayPal rebate account. Like I'm feeling a little wealthy right now because your girl was a little broke for a minute there and I was just like struggling. But now your girl's feeling like, ooh, this is nice. And so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite deal? I want to see a cat emoji in the comments if you made it to the end. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.